Most people work hard every day, but still feel financially stuck. They earn money, pay bills, and spend the rest on short-term pleasures, never thinking about creating lasting wealth. The top 1% approach money differently. They prioritize growth, stability, and value. Understanding wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you allocate it. Even someone earning $3,000 a month can build wealth if they follow a system similar to the 1%. The most effective method for managing money like the 1% is the 25-15-50-10 rule. 25% for growth, investments and skills, 15% for stability, emergency fund, 50% for essentials, housing, food, transportation, 10% for rewards, fun and personal enjoyment. Let's break each part down with examples. 25% for growth, making money work for you. The top 1% invest 25% of their income into assets that appreciate over time. This could be index funds like the S&P 500 real estate for rental income, skills that increase earning potential like coding, copywriting, or digital marketing. Example: Billy started investing $200 per month at age 20. Phil waited until 30 but invested $300 per month. By age 60, Billy's investments grew to over $1.2 million, while Phil's totaled $678,000. Starting early compounds your wealth exponentially. Calculate 25% of your monthly income and list potential investments or skills to grow that money. Even small contributions matter. The 15% allocation is for stability. Life is unpredictable, and even a small emergency can derail progress. Your emergency fund should cover 5 to 6 months of essential expenses in a safe, accessible account. Tips: automate transfers to this account. Only use it for real emergencies like medical expenses or urgent repairs. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, not stocks or crypto. Calculate your total essential monthly expenses and multiply by 5 or 6 to find your emergency fund goal. Start small and increase it monthly. 50% for essentials, smart living, housing, food, transportation, utilities, insurance. The 1% often live below their means. Negotiate rent, buy reliable used cars and avoid lifestyle inflation. Evaluate subscriptions, dining out, and other unnecessary spending. Track your spending for 1 month. Identify at least 20% of expenses that can be reduced without affecting your quality of life. 10% for rewards, sustainable motivation. Allocate 10% of your income for fun, hobbies, travel, and experiences. This prevents burnout and keeps financial discipline sustainable. Think of it as financial fuel, money to recharge your motivation. The wealthy understand that without enjoyment, discipline feels like punishment. Plan your next reward using your 10% allocation. Make it something memorable and guilt-free. Investments, compounding, and diversification. The top 1% maximize compounding. Start early, invest consistently, and diversify across stocks and index funds, bonds, real estate, skills that increase income. Example: investing $500 per month from age 25 to 65 at 8% annual return grows to over $1.2 million. Delaying even 5 years can cost hundreds of thousands due to lost compounding. Open a brokerage account or investment platform. Set up automatic monthly contributions to start compounding now. Money management alone is not enough. Increasing your income exponentially boosts your investment potential. Focus on skills like coding, sales, copywriting, or digital marketing that can generate high returns. List 3 skills you could learn this year that could generate extra income. Create a plan to practice them weekly. Use tax advantage accounts to maximize growth. IRA 401k or Roth IRA in the US. ISAS in the UK. Other country-specific tax-free or deferred accounts. Research your country's tax advantage investment accounts and calculate maximum yearly contributions. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid instant gratification, set 10 and 20-year goals, and remain consistent. Discipline compounds just like money. Philanthropy reinforces abundance and builds connections. The 1% often allocate time and resources to giving, which also develops a long-term mindset. Allocate your income wisely. 25% growth, 15% stability, 50% essentials, 10% rewards. Invest early, increase skills, minimize taxes, and enjoy life. Consistency over decades creates lasting wealth. Write down your monthly income and create your own 25 to 15 to 50 to 10 plan starting today. Track it for 1 month and adjust as needed. Thank you for coming this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, leave a comment below to know your opinion on this topic. Until the next video.